Hey, Mr. Dilpreet, this is Alex at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the Hyundai Tucson. Now, you didn't specify a trim package or color, so I just wanted to give you an idea of what this vehicle looks like. Now, this one is a beautiful gunmetal gray color. It does have the wraparound headlights and tail lights, LED lights, alloy wheels. Now, I know you didn't specify what package you want, so you can get a lot more features just depending on what you're looking for. All I need you to do is give me a call. My name's Alex. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Take advantage of our America's Best warranty, where we double the manufacturer powertrain exclusively to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Give me a call. My name's Alex. The phone number is 205-380-6250. Thank you so much for your time.